Hey guys, welcome back to the Noble channel. Today we have a very simple install for you, very quick and easy. We're going to be replacing our fender badges. So if you still have the factory chrome silver fender badges, you're probably like most people and don't like them and you want to replace them with something. Well, currently I have some gloss black ones in here, but they're just not exciting enough for me. So as always, more carbon is better. So today we have carbon fiber badges. These are new badges, we just released them, so we're gonna check these things out. All right guys, let's go ahead and check these things out. 100% carbon fiber. We're gonna have our WRX and STI badges. So now we're looking at our badges here, and you can see they are very nice. They got a deep shine to them, and they're a lot thicker than some of the other ones on the market, and very durable. Again, you have that nice gloss finish, the red lettering. These things look really nice. It's going to be a very simple install today, so let's go ahead and get into it. So to get these things off, there's a couple of ways you can go about it. You can use a heat gun or a hair dryer to try and heat it up and remove it, or you can park your car out in the direct sunlight for a while, and that should also help to loosen it up. But all you're going to have to do is take your finger and just start getting behind there, and you can actually just pop this thing right off. It's really that easy. You're going to be left with some tape residue left behind. You can go ahead and pull that off. If you can't get it with your finger, you can take a pry tool, a flathead, or something of similar nature and pry it. I would advise using a microfiber or something so you don't scratch the paint. So after you went ahead and pulled your badge off and got the 3M tape off of the fender, now take some rubbing alcohol and just clean this area. As always with anything with 3M tape, you want to make sure you have a really nice bond. So just get this thing as clean as you can with some rubbing alcohol. Wipe it down really good. Let that dry and we'll put our new badge on. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna grab a corner of our 3M tape here and start to peel it up. Get this thing peeled the entire way. Carefully line it up. And push down. Now your badge is installed. Went ahead and got these fender badges installed. They look amazing. Because of their thicker construction, you're gonna notice that they do protrude from the fender just a little bit more than the factory badges did, and that's completely normal, so you didn't install these incorrectly or anything like that. They are going to stick out just a hair further than you're used to. However, it doesn't hinder the beautiful look of these badges whatsoever. Before we wrap up today's video, if you guys want to stay up to date on these new products as soon as they come to the market, make sure you are subscribed, because if you are not, you may not see this video right away. I'm filming this video on the day that this product is released. So if you're seeing this video the day that I release it, you're gonna know this is available. If you don't see it for a couple months, you're gonna have no idea. So if you want to stay up to date on all the new products, make sure you're subscribed. That way you see them as soon as they're released. And with that said, guys, stay safe. We'll see you in the next video.